let's get started with a quick forecast update here at 7:13 p.m. Incredibly busy day, busy night again. We got some nets going on the repeater over here, so forgive the noise there if you hear some talking going on, but we do have a net going on in the background. Got another one at 7:30, so let's get through with this update. Let's get started with it here, and we'll currently start out with looking at current conditions outside. Not too bad. Beautiful day out. You could not ask for a better one, for a matter of fact. Winds, they are out of the south-southwest at about 6 miles per hour right now. It's currently 63 degrees at 7:14. We haven't had any rainfall. We do expect those winds to pick on up there, so as we do have another storm system moving in. So let's move on from here, and of course radar doesn't show nothing, so really no need in showing any of that. We'll take a look at some of our rainfall outlooks and then start discussing our next system. So let's go ahead and we will take a look at that. Also forecasting some heavy rainfall. The risk of heavy precipitation between the 11th and 17th. Moderate risk now, all of North Alabama for very heavy rainfall. Let me tell you, this could end up being a flooding threat. And I'll show you why now. Of course, this is a GFS. We're going to switch over to the GFS. This is looking pretty far out. We're going to get a lot of rain, okay? But it may not necessarily be this much. This is the GFS. So, it kind of sometimes has a habit of overestimating things. So let's take a look at that. Moving on to that, well, this was supposed to have been the GFS model, but looks like it decided it wanted to do something else. I'll take a look at that here in a minute and see what went wrong with that. But anyway, rainfall totals looks like between now and Monday, that's February the 10th, very light amounts between now and then. Now let me see what happened to that rainfall outlook that I just had up a minute ago. Let me see if I can't figure out where it went or what happened to it. So again, I'm just going to be running through here. Bear with me if I click the wrong thing. I'm trying to find the precip outlook here, and for some reason it seems like it's just disappeared on me. I don't know what is going on with that, but it's definitely just disappeared. Bear with me here. We will hopefully find it here in just a minute. Looking through everything but what I'm wanting to find. Okay, so it's going to be one of those deals, it looks like. So bear with me. Let me go in the background here, and we will fix this problem real quick. So let me go ahead and do that. Sometimes this thing, does stupid stuff, and it likes to change things on its own. So that's just what it's done here. So let's get that back up, get it readjusted on the screen here so you guys can see it. And sorry about that little bit of an error there. So let me go ahead and adjust it out a little bit more so we can get the outlook time and everything. Okay, so this right here is between now and the 16th. That's total. That is complete total rainfall between now and the 16th. So as you can see, that's a long time, between now and the 16th. Lots of rain, but as you can see, very rainy weather pattern. Moderate risk been issued for all of northern Alabama and into Tennessee. Models GFS forecasting 10 inches to 11 inches up in Tennessee, 7 inches Jackson County, close to 7 inches in parts of northern Marshall County, southern Marshall County seeing around 5, northern parts of DeKalb 5 to 6, southern portions anywhere between 4 to 5. So there's a lot of rain on the way. Now these are estimates, okay? These are not, of course, factual because it hasn't happened yet, and it will change. We'll keep an eye on that. So we'll take a look at the threat also. There is some strong thunderstorms, and then we'll take a look at your forecast outlook. There is a chance of some thunderstorms. Temperatures will be above normal through the week with daytime highs sitting in the upper 60s to low 70s. Showers and storms will return later this week. Rain and a few storms are expected to return on Wednesday and Thursday. Low to medium chances, monitoring model trends on the chance for storms to have the potential to be strong Wednesday night into Thursday. I also won't rule out a severe thunderstorm either. Now, let's move right on and take a look at that forecast outlook. And that is calling for Tuesday. There will be maybe some sprinkles in the morning and during the day. But overall, it'll be cloudy, sunshine, kind of mixed. West wind around 5 to 10. 70 degrees for a high, low of 54. Now for your Wednesday, 30% chance of some showers out there. Winds will be gusting out of the east-southeast up to 20 miles per hour. So it will be pretty gusty. Bear with me. Let me get this call off real quick. so you guys don't have to sit and listen to that the whole time. Thursday, there will be some showers and thunderstorms. We will have to watch for some of those being strong to severe. Into Wednesday and Thursday, we will be watching that time frame carefully. Wednesday night into Thursday, so some of those could be strong to severe. High 73, low 57. For your Friday, we'll move into some clouds, sunshine, 30% chance of showers, high 71, low 56. Saturday, mostly sunny, only a 20% chance of some showers out there. Overall, not really a big thing. Now, let's get on into looking at the some of the other computer models here. And I know it looks like some of them have moved around just a little bit on me, so let me adjust those. I usually don't have issues like this, but since I redid the computer, I guess it's understandable. So let me readjust these out a little bit here. And hope you're having a great day. It's been beautiful out. I've been out, really busy day today, but absolutely beautiful. You could not ask for a better day. GFS here. Now again, this is the GFS. We know how the GFS can be. Looking further out, my concern starts to come in around the 15th and 16th time frame. We will get a lot of rain and storms, kind of a mixture. A lot of that starting the 9th, and then it's just going to be kind of stormy and rainy on. But the big system comes in, as you can see here, looks like around the 15th, 13th. We have a good little line move through, and then we get another big batch of rain and storms 15th and 16th. I am very concerned between the 15th and 16th time frame. I am watching that. It does have my concern, okay? And we'll discuss why. So let's take a look at some of our temperature outlooks here. Let me go ahead and bring that up. Now this is between the 9th and 15th. I will let you guys guess why I have concern with that. Just take a look at the maps here. So we'll back it up. The 9th, very cold air coming in. Monday the 10th, 11th, it's going to be cool. Warm air moves back in. Look to the west. Look at that. Bam. Big shot of cold air out of the west. Now, usually when you see stuff like that, you have trouble. And it's going to depend on if all the conditions meet. If everything comes together just right, there could be some nasty storms in that time period. As you can see, because that cold and warm like that, that sharp of a cold front, usually they do not get along good. So we will need to keep an eye on that time frame. But right now, there will be the threat of some strong thunderstorms. I won't rule out a severe one Wednesday night into Thursday. The primary threats will be gusty, maybe damaging winds with it. We will keep you updated because this is just starting to come together. So we're still getting the details. Right now, that's what we're doing, is getting the details together. So thanks again for watching. We will keep you updated as we progress. So you guys have a great night. It's 7:22. I got to catch another net here at 7:30. So go ahead and get ready to do that. You guys have a great night. It's 7:22, 64 degrees. Winds are out of south-southwest at 5. Have a great night, everybody. See you on the next update.